Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to be analyzing just four pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, BTC BTC, and Gold USD. So, if you are trading this pair, stay tuned. All right. So, I'm currently on the weekly time frame, looking at the structures from the weekly time frame. If you zoom up, Euro USD, you see that Euro USD is doing what? It's trying to reject this particular zone. It's trying to respect this trend line move. You see price pushing, you see it. It's testing this particular zone the third time. See the first one, price rejected. Second time, price rejected. Third time, price rejected. So now I'm going to be zooming up. If you see price tapped in, what happened? There's a massive drop. There's a massive drop, telling us that Euro USD is actually dropping all the way to this. We're having had this low. We're having had this low that actually broke out of these structures. We're having had this low that actually broke out of these structures. We're having had this low. So these are the low that will weekly time frame produce for us. That once price tapped on this particular zone, there will be a massive rejections. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please kindly click on the subscription button to join the family. All right. So I'm going down to the daily time frame. This is daily time frame. We're having had this low as the current low that actually took out this high. What's happened? Price made this low and push up again to get to this trend line zone, which is being what respected. It's being respected, telling us that price is what's trying to push down. So price will be pushing down all the way to this particular low. After this low is being taken down, notice price push up tapped in at this particular zone. This is a hammer price give us, and then this is it, a rejections. But are expecting price to also come at this particular zone again, tap on it, give us rejections like this, and then before we start selling, this is it. It must give you a confirmation rejections, then reject at this particular zone twice, at least give you a confirmation reject at this zone twice before it starts selling. Then we'll go down to the 4 hours time frame. We're having this zone. This is the key zone we mark from the daily time frame. So this is our key zone. We'll reduce it on the 4 hours time frame to this particular key zone. That price will have to come into this zone, and then this is where we'll be taking our what selling opportunity from. This is our selling opportunity after taking out this, giving us a break of structures on this particular zone. So after giving us a break of structure, you notice this is the high again. Stay tuned, watch. You notice this is the high again. Price broke out, producing this low, which price tapped in. See it? Price did what? Tapped at this particular zone. This is where the rejection will start from. It will have to push price all the way to this particular highs or this recent highs all the way to that high. Then before price will start pulling down. Price might tap in here, there will be a massive minor rejections, and price will push up again to this particular key zone and then give you a confirmations. ASAP, it starts dropping. We're having same thing goes down to GBP USD. Let me clean up the analysis on GBP USD. We're having daily time frame list. This is our weekly time frame, sorry. This is our weekly time frame, and if you zoom out, you see that weekly time frame gave us these highs, which price needs to do what? If you connect this high to this, and then you notice that GBP is currently rejecting at this particular key zone, give us a zoom, you see it. Currently rejecting at this particular, this is the first hit, boom, price hit down. Rejected gave us a minor breaker structures here. We can see that on the lower time frame, this weekly time frame. And then this is the low it gave us before pushing down for the second time, and which price we have to come back to this low. Once this low is being taken down, we're expecting price to come back all the way to this particular low. And we'll go down to the daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. See the breaker structure that happened here, and then price came back here, and this is price trying to make a rejection. And daily time frame giving us these particular highs as well. Our price needs to come in here, give us tap in, give us a rejections, and then same thing, we drop in. This is it, give you a rejections, and then same thing, you sell back to this low. Once this low is being broken, you know the normal zone, you sell back to the next low. We'll go down to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what happens. Let me refresh the chart. You see 4 hours time frame actually approaching all the way to this particular key zone. So this is where we're expecting a drop from on GBP USD. GBP USD price will be dropping here, telling us a selling opportunity is going to happen on GBP. So prepare for next week. We're going to be selling, selling, and selling. We're entering gold. Let's see what happened. Gold is giving us what? A bullish structures. Let's look at it from the weekly time frame. Gold is giving us a bullish structures, and this is the lowest level that actually caused this bullish structure move. We'll go down to the daily time frame, and then we're having this. Let me adjust it. We're having this as the move will actually take out this high, giving us a retracement here, and then price pushed up. This is a high. If you mark it out, you can see the structure where telling us our price is in an uptrend. So price will have to come back and then before continuation of an uptrend. So we're having this low as well. So once this low is being taken down, you figure out that price will be selling here and before the buyers can keep buying. And then we're having 4 hours time frame, giving us this low that took out this structure high, telling us that price need to come back to that low before any pullback will happen. And we're having uh, this high being respected on gold. Immediately price tap at this high, what happened? There's been a drop. So price will be dropping to this low. Once this low is being broken, we're having price selling down to this low on your 4 hours time frame. So if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see it here. Price tapped in here. What happened? There's a massive rejections. Price is pulling back. After this, there's a massive rejection here. You see it. Price tap at this particular zone, and this is a massive rejection, it's telling you that price is actually selling all the way to this low. Gold is selling all the way to this low. Let me mark it all the way to this low. So once this low is being taken down, boom, you're having it coming back to this particular zone. So pay attention because if price should break out this low, we're having this as now an equal high, which is a double top, which are telling us that price will have to sell all the way to this low. And this, if this low is being broken, we're having our next key low here for price to tap in again. And then I'll move on to the next one, which is BTC. Goes down to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we're having BTC still bullish, giving us this lowest level here that BTC created, and then created this high, broken, which got broken, and then approached all the way to this particular height. So since price approached this particular height, what is happening? Price has been dropping. And I will go down to the daily time frame to see what is happening. Daily time frame, we're having this low as the lowest level that actually caused a break above this high. And then giving us this high, which was respected by this move, and then giving us a change of character here. So give us that change of character. See, this is expecting gold, sorry, BTC to drop all the way to 98 seat. So 98, because this is a kind of change of character, and we're having this low. Once this low is being taken down, once 107 is being taken down, we're expecting BTC dropping all the way to 98. So this is it after crossing this high. If you notice, this high wasn't broken. It was actually respected. And then what happened? Price so down. We're having 4 hours time frame giving us the price is dropping on this particular zone. So once this low is being broken, we're having the next low. Should be looking out for a drop on BTC. So this is it, guys. Kindly share to your friends to also learn this analysis and put it in their chart. Those that are trading BTC, gold, euro, or GBP USD. So this is it. Like and share to your friends. If you are new to my channel, please kindly click on the subscription button to join the family. Okay, take care and bye for now.